When I was 18 years old, right before I turned 18, I actually was in a motorcycle accident and lost it going into a corner. I went through a 3.5-foot cinder block wall, broke 9 ribs, collapsed lungs, spent almost a week in the hospital. That whole experience is probably what influenced me on starting to think about being a physician. My name is Chad Harbour. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at Providence. I specialize in hip reconstruction, knee replacements, and orthopedic trauma. You know, it was the most pain I'd had up until that point in my life. So I do orthopedic trauma as half my practice, and so it definitely, going through an experience like that, it definitely gives me the ability to relate to my patients on a different level. If you're affected enough by the joint pain that you're having, whether it's the shoulder, the knee, the hip, if it's something that is nagging you, if you've been thinking about it for a long time, I'd encourage you to come in and see somebody. I mean, we can get you in, we can work you up, we can get some x-rays to start. Just because we have orthopedic surgeon after our name doesn't mean we're gonna sign you right up for surgery. A lot of times just finding out what you have going on can really bring peace of mind to you.